are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
What's up, guys? Jack Scalfani here, Cooking with Jack show. We are doing a cool little battle. Everybody likes certain foods. Everybody likes peanut butter and jelly. Everybody likes cheesecake. Everybody loves bacon. And everybody loves grilled cheese. So I saw two ways to make grilled cheese. We're going to battle them together, okay? All right, guys. Cookie sheet and parchment paper, grab that. Because we're going to bake on that. 2 puff pastry rolls. Either jarred sliced jalapenos or fresh. You can do it yourself. I got fresh. About 2 cups of cheese. This is 4 cups. We'll probably use about half of it. We're also going to use egg wash and melted butter. All right, guys. Lay out your puff pastry. It's basically going to be like a sandwich, okay? Put all your cheese. That's according to preference. Put all the cheese you want. It wouldn't go right to the edge. Do not go right to the edge. Let me repeat. Do not go right to the edge. Give it a good, like, ½ inch. And if it does go to the edge, push it back. This may be enough. No, I'm sure it's enough. Okay, there you go. Take your jalapenos. Disperse them. Mix that all up. Get that all mixed. And then you're going to just coat the outside with the egg wash. You're going to get a little cheese on stuff too, but just brush the perimeter with egg wash. And then on top, just like that. Okay, now we're going to take butter and a little bit of black garlic and melt that in the microwave right now. The last thing we're going to do is take the butter and garlic and brush the whole thing. We're going to douse the whole thing. All right, listen carefully. Going to pop this in the oven. 400 degrees. 15 to 20 minutes. Watch it. Pull it out when it's puffy, like a pillow, golden brown. I'm not sure this is going to work. You should make like a nice looking pillow. Taking a quick peek. It looks like it's puffing up just nicely. That center better come up. I'm getting a little nervous. All right, looking kind of nice. So I think it's time to pull it out, let it rest. But it's all puffy right now, so looks like a pillow. Guys, this is super easy to do. It looks amazing. We're gonna cut into it soon. Everything came out perfect. The middle rose up. It's all good. My wife has already started cutting into it. Is the cutting okay?
Yeah.
What's it look like?
It's really flaky. So it flattens out.
That's it? Take a bite?
You're so annoying.
I know, but that's why you love me.
Oh, it's hot, but good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Can you taste the jalapenos?
Mm-hmm.
So we have a friend over who's trying it, but unfortunately, she's not at the age I can put her on camera. Thank you, YouTube. Appreciate it. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
I'll let you know. She's taking a bite right now. Don't burn yourself. On a scale of 1 to 10? I'm just shaking her head. Yes, so that's good.
Really
Yeah.
flaky though. Like good.
Really flaky?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
All right.
Not good, like croissant cookies.
Very cool. So that was just puff pastry. You know, lay one down, fill it with cheese, lay another one down, Cook it for 15 minutes. All right, guys. Recipes down below. We'll see you in the next episode. This was definitely a home run. Try it out. And then next week, we're trying another grilled cheese sandwich battle to go up against this one. We'll see if that one's better. So you're going to try that one, okay?
We'll see.
And compare the two.
We'll see.
She loves to be such a tease.